Okay, I'm going to do another section here. I got my little pointy thing. Alright, so let's just measure this. Cut it right about a little bit longer here because we got to put that diode there. I'll cut that sucker and slide it underneath. Maybe I should have music on these fucking videos. Okay. So, here's my little pointy thing. That'll hold it down. That was just great. Okay, pointy thing holds it down. And just hold it on there. That's all you gotta do to solder it. I'm gonna redo this one because it got screwed up. I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna redo all these because I didn't have my little pointy thing. My little pointy thing. You gotta have a pointy thing. Alright, so now let's do this one. Go down the road a little bit and this will help hold it. So pointy thing. Set it on there. You'll see it melt in a heartbeat. And then you can do this one. You don't have to hold it for very long. And that one. And then this one. And that's it. Oh, more. So let's do that one. And then this one. Okay. I did this diode upside down so the black end was up, but I think what I want to do is put them this way. That way the back is in the sun and it won't get that hot. Well, it won't get as hot. So, pointy thing down. Make sure it melts. Hold it for a second. And there it is. Keep your soldering iron tinned. You got to get these Hako tips, these Japanese tips, because they're awesome. They just work so much better, and you got to have the right tools. If you're going to be doing this, and you got to have the right tools, otherwise you're just going to frustrate yourself. And if you have the right tools, you're going to have a good time. Okay, that's it. That's the second section. So, from the bottom here is negative. The bottom of the face of this cell, negative. Going to the back, which is positive. You see that? So the electricity goes zoom, zoom, and then down the end we'll do that. Then it'll come up again to positive. Negative is on the bottom. And the little mark on the diode goes to the positive end. Okay? So there's a little mark here. You can't see it because I soldered over it, but it's connected to the back, the positive. Okay? And the unmarked side goes to the negative. Because these diodes, the mark is on the negative side. And it's always positive to negative, positive, negative. Okay, I think that gives you an idea how to do this stuff. You just keep going, do the same thing till you get to the end, and I'll put out more videos. And if you want to trade stocks, get ddamanda.com. Go get ddamanda. Okay, bye.